the accountability of our government, the accountability of our ministers, because in any case, the ministers don't have any constituency to attend to. So their constituency is Parliament. Are we together? So make use of that platform. I am happy to note that our competitors have said they will provide oversight of our government. And we welcome our competitors' assertion that they will take seriously their oversight role over our government. We believe that the efficiency of any government is also dependent on how much we are kept on our toes. So I want to tell our good friends on the other side of the political divide, welcome to your oversight role. We are ready to be accountable as a government, because that will make the people of Kenya get value for every commitment we make, every shilling we spend, and every plan we roll out.